Hey, my name's David Warren. 25 years ago, we celebrated Australia's bicentenary with 11 tall ships from around the world. This time around, we have 17 tall ships. And on top of those 17 tall ships, we have 50 warships, all within Sydney Harbour. Is a once-in-a-lifetime event, something that I encourage you to be part of. There's going to be champagne, fireworks, entertainment. Come and join us on a ship just like this. We're set to have some of the best times we've ever had on Sydney Harbour. I doubt whether anything like this will ever happen again. This is your one chance, and I encourage you to get involved because we sure are about to have some fun. Come and join us.